In a primetime news follow-up, a parent whose child was injured in an explosion during a science experiment at the Mona High School in St. Andrew in 2018 is demanding justice. The woman is claiming that the school has not kept its commitment to cover all medical expenses. But as TVJ's Anthony Lugna reports, the school is dismissing the claims.
Britannia Hamilton received injuries to her eyes, ears, face and head when shrapnel were thrown out by an explosion during a science experiment at Mona High in St. Andrew on February 22, 2018. This was Principal Kevin Jones then.
We will put the medical bill for all the students.
But Yolanda James, the mother of Britannia, says things have changed. She went to the school last week after a doctor's visit.
I showed it to the secretary because he never wanted to see me. Even though I say I want to see him say he no want to see me because he can't tell me nothing at this point because he have to go have meeting to see if she can get anything more.
We put the issue to the principal.
We said to her that we can't just give you some money for you to just take care of the child like that. She no longer attends Mona High School, it therefore means that we have to look at a new arrangement. And this is what I am saying. She needs to get a doctor to do an assessment, a comprehensive assessment, take it to us. At the next board meeting, we will table the report, and then now I await clear instructions or directives from the Board of Management.
Ms. James says that was not communicated to her, insisting that she has had to cover some of the expenses. She's also worried that her daughter's health could worsen.
Her ears not heal, her face, the back of them not come out her face. Our eye them need to go look back upon. And the bill not pay at the hospital. So everything come like it to leave for me as a mother or even she because she reached the age now.
Has the school paid the University Hospital of the West Indies for this?
We have done so. If we haven't paid anything yet, it's because we have not yet received the invoice.
What if I was supposed to tell you that we have documents saying that funds are still owed and dating as far back as last year that haven't been?
Well, that is going to be surprising to us because we get the if we have a balance at the University Hospital of the West Indies, it's because we have not yet seen the invoice. And so I can say publicly, send the invoice and we will pay the bill.
The copies of bills we saw dated June 2019 show outstanding payments totaling nearly $200,000 for surgery conducted the same day of the explosion. Mr. Jones, however, did provide proof of other payments to Ms. James for transportation, surgery, and eyewear totaling over $120,000. So, as uncertainty lingers, Britannia Hamilton remains fearful.
My biggest fear is being blind or deaf.
We stand ready to help them. But the question is, it can't be that a parent will just show up week after week, month after month and say, I need $4,000, we need $16,000. You have to do some sort of medical assessment before we can just give money to parents just like that.
Anthony Lugna, TVJ News.